Alright, so I'm doing an unboxing of BTS's Deco Kit because this is who I am as a person and I have nothing else to do. Ignore all my deadlines. So first I'm going to take the plastic wrapper off. Yes, I used my nails. At least I didn't use my teeth this time. Yet. Because I couldn't. Alright, so it's a cardboard box. And it opens up like this. It's the same color scheme as the Season's Greetings. Black, green, and purple. It has like a faux wax seal, but it's cardboard. How do I get this out? How about I just take this all out? And, because I want to keep it. Slide everything out. This is so not cool. Okay, tape comes with 2 things of tape. These are washi tape. One has the members with their like features, and the other has like designs. Photo cards. Love photo cards. We'll be using the photo cards for scrapbooking possibly, because that's the thing I'm into now. A memo pad. This probably doesn't have sticky backing on it, but I actually bought a thing to do that. Fake Polaroids that you can decorate, because I plan on using this stuff. I'm gonna sticker pack with art from the members. Like, that's a dog drawn by Namjoon. That sounded very fragile, but I know that he drew it and that it's a dog. These are stickers to decorate the Polaroids. Very excited to use them. Probably not for their assigned purpose. Okay, and so we're at the big things. So this is the Deco book. I did not expect it to be so big and beautiful. So it's the Deco book from the Deco Kit. Okay, opening that with my nails. Was tempted to use my teeth for comedic purposes. Did not want to do that. So, ooh, this is pretty. Okay, so I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. Am I supposed to cut these things out? And if so, I will not. This is really pretty. If they're terrible, maybe I'm gonna have to go through it, but it's photos from the shoot they did relatively recently. So I'm very excited. More stickers. I love this. I am genuinely going to use these. And now we have something super cool, because in my heart I will always be the kind of child that had a diary. It is a little notebook with a lock. And I would like to assume the key is somewhere here, because if it's not, you understand that means I can't open this. This is wild. I'll figure out how to open this, and I'll post on Instagram later to show what the inside looks like. But thank you so much for watching this brief unboxing. Yay, we're done.